Hello, welcome back to our channel WinTrader. Today I am going to give a live demonstration of our software running version 8.1 and scanner 1.2, how our software supported in international trading. For that I opened gold chart and the time frame I have selected is 5 minute M5, and you can see the current market value will display here. You can see on above, you can see the 1817.50, that is the current market value. And you can see there is red down arrow, that is our sell signal, and green up arrow is the buy signal. These are the automatic signals. So whenever software generates a buy or sell signal, at the same time software gives, there is an alert message will display in your screen with the sound effect, and it contains the excited entry point. You can see this alert message. The same alert will display when the software generates any new buy, there is a new buy or sell signal. At the same time the alert will come with the sound effect. It contains the exact entry point, like where you have to buy, where you have to sell. It contains the exact entry point. But we don't need to take all the signals because software gives automatic signals. But after that, we have to check whether the given signal is confirm or not. For the checking confirmation, we have two parameters in our software. You can see software gives a sell signal at you can see the sell signal at a 1824.30 and 38, and you can see the current profit and loss value is displayed here, and you can see the time and the date is here, and the status you can see as per this signal our software achieved two signal, means two target has been achieved. As per this sell signal, two target has been achieved. And now we have to check how to check the confirmation. As you can see now, currently the sell signal is active. If it is a sell signal, now the first and main confirmation you have to check on below. You can see price in sell zone. That is the first and main confirmation. If it is sell signal, then the price should be in sell zone. And the second confirmation, we got a sell signal here on below the signal. You can see there is a bar is here. Now you can see there is a bar, that is our confirmation bar. The bar should be in the same color of the signal. Means if it is sell signal, then the bar should be in red color. Only two parameters we have to check: price in sell zone and the bar confirmation. If these two parameters, these two parameters are confirmed, that means the signal is confirmed. Then you can enter with the market value. So once we enter in the market, now on below you can see the stop loss, and this is trailing stop loss, and on the left side of the stop loss you can see target 1, 2 and 3. There are three targets. And for example, if the market is trendy market, then the signal will continue after hitting our target. So that time software gives a re-entry option. Re-entry means the software gives a separate entry point and a separate target. You can see right now the re-entry suggestion is showing wait only. So if you want to re-enter with the re-enter, then you have to wait for the next re-entry suggestion to come. If the re-entry means the software gives a separate entry, and as per that software gives a separate target also. So if you want, then you can re-enter with that level. Otherwise, if you don't want to take a re-entry now, then you can wait for the next next signal. And you can see in this version, the normally candles colors are red and green. Apart from these two colors, you can see some other colors are displayed, like orange colors, light blue, empty candles and white candles are there. So these are the indication of sideways. Means if the market is going sideways, then automatically software will change the colors of the bar. So it's giving an indication that it's going sideways. And you can see there is red stars are here, and on below you can see the blue stars are here. These red stars are the resistance level of the market, and these blues are the support level of the market. That means if the candle breaks the support level, then definitely market will go down, and if it breaks the resistance level, then market will go up. You can see on this level, around this level, it hit the support level, and it's going down. It's continue with the downtrend, and as per this signal, actually you can see we got a sell at 1824.38. As per this signal, two target has been achieved, and still the sell signal is going on. And you can see, and right now I'm going to show you the scanner 1.2, and the version is currently the running version is 8.1 and the scanner 1.2. In this scanner now you can add whatever pair you want to trade. Now you can add all the symbols, and whatever chart you are adding now, they automatically scan all those symbols and gives automatic signals. But before taking the signal now, you have to always check the confirmation of the signal. Means if software gives a signal, then you don't take a direct entry. Just open the chart and just check it whether the given signal is confirmed or not. If it is confirmed, then only you can take the position. Otherwise, just ignore the signal. And right now the running version is 8.1 and the scanner 1.2, and we are planning to launch our new version, that is our 9.0, and the scanner 1.3 that will launch soon. And we are charging only one-time payment, and all updations are free for our customers. And as you know, our software support all major financial market like MCX, NSE, cash, future, option, currencies, agri, comex and forex. And if you are a forex trader, if you are trading in only forex, and then if you have MD4 live account, then we can configure our software in your platform. And right now I show the live demo of our software. If you are interested to check the live demonstration, if you want a live demonstration, then you can directly contact me. My name is Ganga. You can either contact me through call, or you can directly contact me through that WhatsApp. This is my WhatsApp number, 9061973737. You can call me or WhatsApp me. And otherwise you can log into our website www.wintradersoft.com. Thank you for watching my video.